A good education can change anyone, but not everyone. Alam po niyo kung bakit? Tingnan po niyo yung mga colleagues ko sa House of Representatives. I thought they had good education. I thought they were all taught by good teachers like you. I believe they have valued all our laws and our traditions, as the teachers always say during our years of education. Pero tingnan ninyo yung nangyari. I was only defending our rules in the House of Representatives. I was only defending the traditions that make us all, because these traditions are the ones that we kept for so long a time. These are time-honored traditions that cannot just be discarded, cannot be erased. The office of the Vice President is not subjected to questions, and that is the well-kept tradition.